would be hilarious. What are you doing? Doing the dishes. Why are you so gay?
I don't know.
I stab you in the hand! Why am I singing this song? I'm not gay. LOL. Smiley face. I smell these. Hey, Chef! You're an idiot! What are you doing? You're doing the dishes wrong. Get him. You're doing everything wrong. La 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 la. Gay Chef is an idiot. And he doesn't hear me. 'Cause he's an idiot.
Mama, I'm the new coworker. Can I help you make those?
Fine, I don't give a crap.
Okay, sir. I'll go get a fork.
I'm not a sir, I'm a woman.
I knew that.
Of course you did, or else I would have stabbed you with a spoon.
Is that even physically possible?
You want to find out?
Not really.
Okay, Chef, come here.
Yes, ma'am.
Party rock in the house tonight. Everybody's gonna have a good time. Is that right? I think it is.
Everybody just have a good time.
Stop! That's right. Everybody go to... Wait, that's not a song.